Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to get Microsoft Rewards points fast in 2026 using simple and effective methods. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To get Microsoft Reward points in 2026, you can to get Microsoft Reward points, first you must always use bing.com as your main search bar, and you must use your Edge as your main browser. And now you can see that you can earn reward points through searching. It's either on PC, mobile, or Windows search box. And after that, you can look to your dashboard. And in here, you would see different daily tasks. I suggest that you would do this daily task until you reach level 2, because level 2 is currently one of the fastest ways for you to gain more reward points. And also make sure that Microsoft Edge is your default browser. In order to do that, just go to settings. First, you must go to settings. So in your search bar, Windows search bar, search settings. And here, go to apps. Go to default apps and type Edge. And there we go. You can set this as your default browser, and that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.